idiot me know who could have tried to pull off something like that from his visit.
King man.
Ah! Wow, go on, ladies and gentlemen. Father. Savage, meet my new business partner, Jenny, lovingly called Jen or Auntie Jen. Meet my friend, Savage.
Hello, Miss Genevieve.
Hello. Pleasure to meet you.
You know, this man in this community and many others is more like a guardian angel.
You mean guardian angel like politician?
Like who?
Like what?
A politician.
I'd never really seen it that light. This man is a part of the security forces, a special branch. Even though him have some very unorthodox ways, but I'm a bridge now we are forward from far.
Thanks for the resume, King. Yeah, man. Nice of you to reel it out, but you could have leave out some parts, cause and everything good to eat. Good to talk.
Well, King man, pleasure to meet you, bossy, but we just order some material and I check on the bar. So I work on the front door while I drink, you know, so I'm see up on the front.
Alright, that's a fact.
As a matter of fact, I think we should all go and have a drink, yeah, King?
I'd say why no reason why not.
Of all the things in the world, we might describe it to the woman as unorthodox. That's why sometimes you have to make people know these things.
So, Mr. Savage, I assume the real reason you're here is to assist us with the kidnapping of the young miss.
Well, I mean, as an officer of the law, I've been getting bits and pieces of the information. But to tell you the truth, I think some of my other colleagues might be better suited for this investigation based on how unorthodox I tend to be, you know? Isn't that right, King?
Wrong. Dead wrong. Because I personally know, not even believe, that you are the best person for it. Because guess what? You get results when other ones I try to turn over a stone.
Well, there you have it. I guess I'm the best person for the job, so yeah. I'll be doing the best I can to solve this problem and all other problems that come along with it.
Well, Mr. Savage, I am asking you to assist us in the best possible way you can. Because right now we're trying to develop the community. And this type of behavior, what is happening now, can't afford for this to continue. Can't afford another kidnapping.
Jen, in all honesty, even though he never liked me saying his methods are unorthodox, is where the general department think about him. But I know him to be a man who get the job done. You understand? Simple.
As you are well aware, it's not the first time that this kind of criminal activity is happening in the community, but I can assure you, as a matter of fact, not so long ago, there was a kidnapping. And my information says that this young lady is one of the four. So clearly there is a recurring problem, and I'm here to put a full stop to all of this once and for all. So your business can thrive and residents can enjoy the peace and quiet that I bring.
Well, Mr. Savage, I feel more comfortable here. So let's have a drink together. What you drink here? King man?
You know me, it's always a cold dragon.
I'll have a cola, Anakin. Thank you very much, ma'am.